Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for finding time to watch my videos. Thank you very much to the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, and the returning subscribers also thank you for finding time to support me in this channel. You are valued and I appreciate you. So in today's video, as you can see my eyes, I look sleepy. It's because I've just woken up. I want to do some cleaning and washing the clothes of my baby. Yeah, my baby is throwing tantrums at night. You know, she stopped breastfeeding ever since I went to marking for 2 weeks. Huh? So I left her with my mom, so she stopped breastfeeding. So she was used for uh, eating and just sleeping. So when I came back, I had to stop that. And now she's throwing tantrums at night. So yesterday we slept almost 11 p.m. But at 3 she was awake crying. So I had to wake up, warmed her meal. That was some warus. Then I gave her with some milk. Then she refused to sleep. So we had to play from 3 up to 5:30 a.m. That's when she went back to sleep. So I've just woken up and yeah, I just want to wash my baby's clothes and clean this house. Then if I find time, I'll make either some scones or some cakes. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Kindly, as you watch this video, remember to subscribe, click that like button, also comment down here. Now guys, I want to engage you in this conversation. Sometimes motherhood can be overwhelming. Like today, I just felt like I'm depressed because my baby was crying. She doesn't know how to speak. You don't know what she wants. She just takes my hand and pulls me to wherever she wants to go, and we stand there. And she starts to cry. So you just wonder what to do to help her. So comment down there in the comment section. Do you find motherhood overwhelming, or sometimes do you feel depressed? And what do you do? Let's help each other with this motherhood journey. Thank you so much. Let's go and do the other chores. Bye.
So I got this yeast from the market that I want to use to make the scones to be used for tomorrow breakfast. Then I got some vegetables, that's for 50 shillings, that is managu and terere. Then I got these sweet potatoes for 100 shillings, the green pepper for 20 bob, and those oranges. So the oranges were for 50 shillings, they were 5, but we already took 2, we've eaten 2. Then there are remaining 3, but one my baby carried to use it as a ball. So guys, I'm sorry for the noise. I'm in the road while I'm editing this, kindly bear with me. I also bought some meat. This was for 200 shillings, and that we are going to use for supper.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves, the taste of berries on my tongue, sipping on a feeling, sunny's got me healing, vibing out to your guitar. I don't wanna go yet, watch another sunset, wishing on a shooting star. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just
So as the meat was cooking, I decided to wash these potatoes and put them to boil. That we will use tomorrow for either breakfast or we can take it as lunch. this water to boil. My hubby will be the one who will cook ugali for us today. So I decided to put this milk inside using a cup so that it can boil, so that I can use it to make the scones. So here I'm going to make the scones. That is the milk. Hey, it overheated, so I had to cool it down. Then I'm going to use the yeast, some sugar there, some salt, and the flour only, and the milk. I'm not going to use eggs in it. So I'm going to measure a spoonful of yeast, then I'll put in the already cooled milk, but it is warm. Then I'll mix using a whisk. Then I'll add the sugar and the salt so that they can balance the taste. Then after that, I'll add the flour to make it a dough that is soft but not hard. Yeah. Then I'll cut them into balls and put into the oven. And as I'll be baking, I'll be making this dough. My other foodstuffs are getting ready, so we'll go to eat the food. Then we'll come back and prepare the scones. So now I'm just going to make the dough and leave it for some time to rest so that it can proof. Then I'll come and cut into small doughs. Then let them proof again. Then put them in the oven. So I'll leave it to rest. Meanwhile, we are having our dinner. Our meals are ready. So unfortunately, we did not use any grains today. We just took the meat and ugali. Yeah. So that is how our meal was. And don't see that ugali as a patko. It is enough for us. Only two of us. Yeah. Yeah. So that is what we had for supper. So the sweet potatoes are ready, so I'll keep them aside to cool. We'll use them tomorrow. So here I just want to continue with making the dough. Then first of all, I'm removing the items that were inside the oven. Then I'll set it into a temperature of preheating, that is 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Then I'll go and cut the dough into smaller items. So here I'm just going to prepare the baking tray by oiling it with some margarine. Then I will cut the dough, let them proof for some time, then put in the oven. So the next day, I was able to go to town to look for some spices in Quickmart, and I got some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, not paprika, turmeric, and garam masala and black pepper. Yeah, so this is how Quickmart has uh, arranged them. So I got the garlic powder. I was buying them around for each item for 100 shillings. So garam masala for 100 shillings. Then turmeric for 101. Then I got some black pepper there, 98 bob. Then onion powder for 95 shillings. Then I got some smokies, some minced meat. This one I want to try to make some samosas. Then I got bacon there. Is it bacon or bacon? I don't know. Yeah, that one I got it. Then these are the Maggi spices. I want to try them. I've never tried them. So white vinegar and some mayonnaise for making salads. I got the black soy, that is the dark superior soy sauce, and some juice, that is the club passion. So that is what I got, and some eggs. Guys, I take this opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Spread love, have peace with your families, and we pray that God will enable us to reach next year safe and sound. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching up to this point. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, ensure you subscribe.